Good morning, sir. Good morning, classroom. This is our video presentation of concept of society. But first, what is social interaction?
Social interaction. This is compilation of ways and means by which humans interact with each other within confines of society. Social interaction. Ang social interaction ay isang proseso na nagsasangkot ng reciprocal stimulation o tugon sa pagitan ng dalawa o higit pang individual. Ang mga ito ay maaaring mula sa mga unang pagtatagpo sa pagitan ng magulang at supling hanggang sa komplikadong pakikipag-ugnayan sa maraming individual sa buhay na hustong gulang. Isa pa ay ang pakikipag-ugnayan sa lipunan ay tumutukoy sa pagpapalitan ng impormasyon at emosyon sa pagitan ng mga individual. Maaari mangyari ang pagpapalitan nito sa mga harap-harapang pagtatagpo tulad ng mga direktang kasangkot sa isang matalik na relasyon o sa pamamagitan ng hindi direktang mga paraan ng komunikasyon. Ang mga halimbawa ng pakikipag-ugnayan sa lipunan ay ang social media, tulad ng pag-text, pakikipag-chat, instant messaging, at pag-email, mga online na laro, at pag-real-time na interactive na video game.
And now, let's move on to social organization. Social organization, it refers to the interrelationship of parts of society. Status. Ang status ko po is bilang youth or what they call kabataan. And ang roles ko po is to give inspiration to others. And group ko po sa simbahan like what they call young church servant. And the institutions is yung church po. This is the foundation on every society from which emanates the possible roles, statuses, institutions, and organizations. Social structure. It is the determining factor by which every part of society gains its context. Example of social structure included family, religion, law, economy, and class. It contrasts with social system, which refers to the parent structure in which these various structures are embedded. And now, let's move on to agency. The capacity of people to act upon their world and not only to know about or give personal significance to it. The power of people to act purposively and effectively. Example of agency. Choosing a career. Groups joining a social movement, picking a spouse, or what they call affective individualism.
Next, let's proceed to the aspect of future of society. This is the aspect or future of society, which is the types of society. Pre-industrial. In a pre-industrial society, food production, which is carried out through the use of human and animal labor, is the main economic activity. These societies can be subdivided according to their level of technology and their method of producing food. Sa pre-industrial, sinasabi dito na ang mga tao at hayop ang nagproproduce ng mga pagkain at mga kailangan natin sa pang-araw-araw. At may iba-ibang method na ginagamit sa pre-industrial. Dahil nasa makabagong technology na tayo, iba-iba na rin kanilang method na ginagamit sa paggawa ng pagkain at sa mga needs na kailangan natin sa pang-araw-araw. These are the type of pre-industrial: hunting and gathering, pastoral, horticultural, and agricultural.
Hunting. The main form of food production in such societies is the daily collection of wild plants and hunting of wild animals. Hunters-gatherers move around constantly in search of food. As a result, they do not build permanent village or create a wide variety of artifacts, and usually only from small groups such as bands and tribes. Ang hunting, sila yung mga taong walang sapat na pera para makabili ng kanilang pagkain. Ang ginagawa na lang nila ay paghahanap ng mga hayop sa gubat, paghahanting ganon, dahil wala silang sapat na dahil sa nuance at wala silang sapat na tirahan, nagkikreate na lang sila ng mga artifacts sa mga gubat, ganon. And usual, only from small groups such as bands and tribe. Karaniwan, sila yung mga walang permanenteng tirahan at walang permanenteng panghanap buhay. Kaya ang ginagawa nila ay naghahunting na lang sila ng mga hayop.
Pastoralism is a slightly more efficient form. Dito sa pastoral, dito pumapasok yung pagpapastor mo sa mga hayop or pag-aalaga mo ng hayop sa bukid. Then, sa pastoral rin, dito rin naisasama yung kasama mo yung hayop na maghanap ng pagkain nyo sa pang-araw-araw. Ginagamit mo yung hayop para pagkain ninyo ng inyong komunidad para sa gayon, meron kayong kainin sa mga
Horticultural. Fruits and vegetables grown in a garden plot that have been cleared from the jungle or forest provide the main source of food in a horticultural society. Ang hortikultura ay isang agham, sining at teknolohiya ng paglilinang ng pagkain, kabilang ang mga horticultural na pananim, prutas, gulay at ang mga halamang ornamental na pinatubo para sa kanilang mga bulaklak o dahon. Gayunpaman, ang horticultural ay isang pirapirasong industriya kung saan ang tubo ang naging pangunahing produkto at motibasyon para sa pagtatanim at pagbibenta. Dahil ang mga tubo ay isa sa mga pangunahing produkto na hindi dapat mawala, dahil ito ang ginagamit sa paggawa ng asukal. At ang mga transnational naman na kumpanya ay dumating upang dominahin ang pagdaigdig merkado. Ang mga gulay, prutas, bulaklak, ornamental at damuhan ay mga halimbawa ng mga pananim na horticultural at karaniwang ginagawa sa mga maliit na antas na may masinsinang pamamahala kaysa sa mga agronomic na pananim. Yung horticultural, andito yung mga pangangailangan natin. Andito yung mga gulay, prutas, dahil kung walang mga yon, hindi rin tayo makakakain dahil importante rin ang gulay at prutas sa ating katawan.
Agrarian societies use agricultural technologies advanced to cultivate crops over a large area. Sa agricultural naman, ang mga tao ay gumagamit sila ng mga bagong makinarya, lalo na sa mga malalakong lupa na pagtatamnan nila. Lalo na sa mga palay at mais na mahirap itanim, kailangan nila ng mga makinarya na makakatulong para mapabilis yung kanilang trabaho, lalo na kanilang mga pinagtatamnan ay hektaryang lupa. Industrial, a society driven by the use of technology to enable mass production, support a large population with high capacity for division of labor. Sa industrial naman, gumagamit sila ng mga malalaking makinarya tulad ng factory. Nung sa gayon ay mas marami ang ma-produce nilang mga pagkain o mga kagamitan natin, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Dumadami ng population sa mundo, kaya kailangan na ng mga factory ng mga malalaking makinarya. These are the three types of social process: discovery, invention, and diffusion. And now, what is discovery?
Discovery, the process by which something is learned or reinterpreted, influence change by causing people to learn how things which may change their viewpoints or change their routine to better themselves based on the new information found through discovery. Discovery and invention are mechanisms of social and cultural change. Discovery refers to the finding of new knowledge within an existing realm. Generally, it relates to discovering new understanding or a particular behavior or ritual. Invention is the creation of a new device or process. For example, when early explorer began to explore the ocean, they discovered that the earth was flat, but the water was round. This led to new maps being printed as well as new waterways and trade routes developing due to new exploration under the idea that there was no end of the earth to fall of invention, the creation of something new from previously existing items or processes. Invention change society to providing it with new items and ideas which continue to evolve into easier, more efficient and processes. Invention is defined as the process of creating new ideas to solve cultural problems. Now, it's important to note that when speaking of invention, anthropologists don't limit the term to just tangible object like waste. They also use it in reference to the creation of intangible things like government system, language, and even aspect of science, since all of these things are ways that man has come up with to make life easier or more controlled. For example, when the airplane was invented, it led to faster transportation and space exploration. Invention serve as indicators as to how fast a society will change, due to the fact that the one invention existing, then the more invention can be developed from those inventions and so forth.
Diffusion, the pass by which one culture or society borrows from another culture or society, is widely influenced by the contact that one society has with another. More interaction societies have, the easier their culture will begin to bleed together. Diffusion is that it takes place because the diffusing substance exists in a high concentration in one place, in a lower concentration in another. If the substance moves for a different reason, such as pressure or force, that's not diffusion, it's just passive movement.
A period in a civilization evolution when the economy shifts from one that primarily provides goods to one that primarily provides services is known as post-industrial society. In other words, the manufacturing sector, which is made up of people like construction workers, food manufacturers, and production workers, account for less economic growth and wealth than the service sectors, which is made up of people like nurses, teachers, researchers, social workers, and lawyers. Among others, a post-industrial society accompanying economic shift subsequently changed society as a whole.